Hello, beautiful friends. This is Linette, and I have a fun day today. I'm meeting Nikki halfway in between Cincinnati and Circleville. And these zinnias here that I planted came from her garden. So with the Circle of Life, I thought, how cool would it be for me to gift her own zinnias back? Now, here's my question. Will these zinnias still be the bright pink zinnia, or will they revert back to multiple different colors? Does anybody know that answer to that question? Okay, so what I want to do is pot up this little planter with her own zinnias, and then I think I'm going to stop by the Dollar Tree and see if I can find a planter to go in the middle. And our little thing that we give each other is Laffy Taffy. Nikki and I give each other gifts for no reason. So I thought I'd stop and get her a card, get her some Laffy Taffy, and maybe some gloves and a shovel, so that as soon as she gets home, she can plant these zinnias. I think that'd be so cute. Okay, let's do this. So I already got my dirt in here. I don't know if I need this much dirt though. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give her a clump. That way, right now I'm not messing a whole lot with the root system. I feel like they got some pretty good roots already going. That'd be cute, right? Look at the raised beds. Everything is doing really, really good. I've got delphiniums here. And then I had cosmos over there. And you can see I have one lone cosmos left. I looked it up, and squirrels love cosmos leaves. Who knew? This is a mix of zinnias here. Claire Austin rose. And then over here I put stock, but straw flowers are growing from last year. So hopefully I'll get, maybe that's a stock right there. I don't know. I got nasturtium. I got pink, orange, and yellow. And then over here is Clarkia going a little bonkers. So I need to pull some of these out and put in the landscape, I think. And then in this bed here in the front is sunflowers and larkspur. And in this front bed here is pink giant zinnias in the middle, and then pink smaller zinnias on the outskirts. And then look how pretty the dahlias are looking. Got some buds coming on the zinnias. Buds on the dahlias. We've had so much rain, it sort of has made them a mushy mess, but they still look pretty to me. Let's run into the Dollar Tree. Okay, so what I'm looking for is just a little pot, some Laffy Taffy, maybe a pair of gloves, and a card. We need something for the road. These sound good. Yum, yum, yum. This is her favorite, well, our favorite candy. We have memories of it growing up. I might throw some ribbon on it. What do you guys think? I got your present! Hey! I got your present too! I knew it. I told you guys she would have a present.
Why this is her birthday present? It's a little behind, and there's a little Mother's Day present in here.
Okay, so these are yours.
That's so cute.
Okay, these are your Zenias from last year.
Yay! I can't wait to plant them. They were so beautiful. Thank you.
Take that.
That is so cute. Hold it from the bottom. Okay.
Okay.
Stick it in there.
Woohoo!
That's adorable. I love this basket.
Isn't it cute?
Yes.
Well, I think I turned the herb part around, but I thought maybe for your window.
It's adorable.
Yeah.
I love it. Oh, this is my gift for Linette. It's a little late, but it's a little Mother's Day something for her.
Look at this, you guys. She put a little tag in there. It says Happy Mother's Day. And you know how I love my English ID.
Get a minute. It's fine.
Look at that. It's probably a magnet.
It is.
To go on your refrigerator.
It is.
And I love that picture. It's one of my favorites.
I knew you did.
Zach was playing around putting my
It's so cute.
shawl around his neck.
It's adorable pick.
Thanks, Nick. That was sweet.
There's one more thing in there. Yeah, this is really something because I know, be really careful. Someday, 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 someday,
Do you know how long I've wanted one of these? And
I
I've
know.
never gotten one because they're too expensive.
I know you want one, so that's your start, and someday you're gonna have your greenhouse.
I think so.
I think so.
It might be years down the road.
That's okay.
And we might need to really talk to Handyman Steve. Oh, Nick, thank you.
You're welcome.
I love it.
This is about a month later, and these are the Zenia plants that Linette gave me in the little pots. I just wanted to give you an update. They're growing and they're doing well. I can't wait for them to start blooming. Go give a gift you love to someone and go find your passion today. Thank you for watching. Please join us again.